Welcome to the Chef Sisters! I'm Nicole.
I'm Olivia.
And today we are going to be making brigadeiro. It's a treat that we do in Brazil. So you will need the chocolate thing that you use to make chocolate milk, and the pure chocolate, which is only the cocoa, 2 tablespoons of each, because if we put only the Nesquik, it won't have almost no taste. And if we put this, it'll be like really strong. So we put both, so it's not that strong and not too little of taste. So first, we're gonna put we're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna put the condensed milk.
It makes noise.
And we're gonna use the spoon to scoop it all out to make sure it's all getting in there. So we need 1 of these, and we also need sprinkles and 1 spoon of butter. As you can see, I'm scooping it out, so it's all out of the container.
It's hot.
Yeah, so be careful because it's hot.
And use an adult.
Yeah.
If you're little. I'm little. I'm just 5.
And 9. Turn.
Just 9.
It's okay if it drips. Okay. And then we're gonna put 2 of these. It can be just 2 tablespoons. Same thing. 1, 2. Switch. 1.
It stayed.
Yeah, it stayed its shape. And
it's a part of it.
2.
Like this.
So I'm gonna leave it in that. Then I'm going to put these, but I'm not going to put the chocolate sprinkles yet. That's for after
butter.
It's cooled and everything. So now we're gonna mix it till you can like see the pot and it's come all together. It's all come together. It looks kind of weird at first, as you can see.
If you put like those 2, like this one facing
you
that one.
can put only like, as you can see, 2 + 2 = 4. So if you want to put only 1 of them, you can, but you need to put 4 scoops of it. But I recommend you putting 2 of Nesquik and 2 of the pure cocoa, because then it doesn't have low taste, and it doesn't have it's not too powerful. It's just right. Now that you see that it's kind of like it didn't stick to the borders and it's not really a liquid anymore, it's because it's ready, and also because you can see the bottom, it's because it's ready. See? You want it to be like this, but also don't make it too sticky, because when you're gonna make the balls, it can be like really hard for you to make it. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the stove off. And I'm going to put all of it in here.
Maybe it's hot.
Wait, let me just...
No, yes, no, yes.
It's very hot, so be careful with this part. Okay. And then, as you can see, it's going to look like that. Okay. It's going to look like this. And it's very cool. And then you're gonna let it cool off in the fridge for at least an hour. So now, as you can see, it is done. We are going to get only a little bit of butter on our hands, like that. Then we're gonna scoop some out, and we're going to roll it into a bowl. Then here comes the sprinkles.
Wow.
Then we're going to just roll the sprinkles, the brigadeiro into the sprinkles. Then we're just gonna keep repeating this step. And if it's way too sticky, oops, you can put some more butter. But be sure to not put too much, because it already the brigadeiro already has lots of butter in it. So you don't want to put too much butter. So now, as you can see, we've done all of them. Now we are going to taste test.
I'm gonna get
this. I'm gonna get this one.
I'm gonna get the
Mm.
brown one.
It's really good, and my teeth are full of chocolate.
Mine too, actually.
If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye! Now I'm gonna eat the rest of the dough.
Me too. Too much chocolate here.